What's up? We're back at it on the whiteboard. Today we're talking business, so I got my blazer on. So today I'm talking about the freedom number. Probably wondering, what is this? The freedom number is the amount of income that you need to make on a monthly basis to achieve total freedom. Freedom of finances, freedom of time, freedom to live the life that you really want to live. Because at the end of the day, it's not about how much money you make, it's about how you're living. So let's dive right in. You want to identify where you're currently at. How much per month are you spending on your car? Your house, think about where you're living right now. How much you're spending on rent or your mortgage? Food, how much money per month are you spending on food? Are you fast food garbage? Are you cooking yourself? Are you going out to eat every night? Think about your food expense, okay? Travel, how much do you spend per month on travel? Or are you even traveling at all right now? And etc. It's about buying gifts for your girlfriend, your boyfriend, going out with your family, whatever that might look like to you. And then we're gonna total this up. That's currently what your lifestyle is costing you. So our ideal lifestyle, think about the car you wanna drive. You wanna get that new Mercedes, you want a new truck, whatever it might be. Think about how much you're gonna be spending per month on that payment. You're tired of your apartment, you wanna upgrade, you wanna go to a mid-rise, you wanna get a house. What does that look like? Think about that, okay? Really get clear on what you wanna work towards. Food, now you're going out to eat 4 nights a week, you're using meal prep companies. Travel, you wanna travel. You weren't traveling before, but now you know that, hey, I need an extra $1,000 a month if I wanna take that extra trip to LA or go to New York or whatever it might be. You're taking your significant other on a date, you know, once every other week, but you wanna go out once a week, it's gonna cost you a little bit more money, so we gotta earn a little bit more. So we're gonna total these up. And now we have our two figures. So we're gonna take where we wanna be, where we're currently at, and we're gonna subtract that, and that's gonna give us the gap. That is the gap that we need to close to achieve our financial freedom. So that's the figure that you need to earn additionally on top of what you're making right now to achieve freedom. So this is the gap. In the next video, I'm gonna be telling you how to close that gap. Just to recap, the freedom number is all about figuring out where you wanna be in life, where you're at right now, and how much more work you need to do to get there. Hope you found this valuable.